Hello, my name is Subham and today I am going to explain my project e-commerce made on Laravel. So this is the home page of our project e-commerce. First of all, login functionality is there. So if you go on login and click on it, it will take you to the login. But before that, if you are not have a registered account, you can register. So just click on it, registered, and till it gets load, I will show you the database of all these things. So one table is there named users. In that users there are already having 7 people. So if you are the new one and you are going to register, so just register yourself with name and email address you have to give, and then password. So by giving this, just click on register. Clicking on register, it will take you to the login page as you have already created account. That's why. Now come to this and just refresh, and you see whether it is database is also getting updated or not. You will get to know. So it gets uploaded. Till that time, come to this page and see. So now this is uploaded. So now you can see now users are 8 with name C at the rate. So all the things work fine. Now come and again now login with the same email ID and password which we have created just now. So just creating and logging, we will go to inside the e-commerce platform where we can see that header is there, footer is there, body section, and so many sliders and so many functionality is also there. So if you click in any product or pictures on any link, this will take you to the detail page of that particular products. As you can see, I have clicked, so it will take me to this. So now add cart functionality is there. So here you can see cart is till now it is 0, but if you click on this add to cart, this cart will change to 1 because you have added one item to your cart. So just you have added one cart. Similarly, if you want to add one more item to your cart, just click on any images or any links that you have in the site and just click add to cart. So now wait, yeah, again cart get added, item get added, and a cart get increment. So by clicking on cart, it will take you to the result. So the result that what you have in your cart. So 2 items you have, but now you have moved that not I don't want to buy mobile. So just remove from your cart. So if you remove from your cart, it will remove. So now the cart is having this one product, and this same will be gone through. As you can see, this user ID C, name C, has user ID 8. So if you go to the cart and check that user ID having 8 is having product only 29, no other user. As 2 user, if someone who is having 2 product, so 2 products are there. So these are the things. So again come, and now you want to order, so just order now. Order now will take you to the page where you can order. So you can write here that I want this in Siliguri. So you have and you want EMI payment, so just order now. So clicking in order now, it will make order for your product which you have selected. And how you can get your by using this orders functionality. You clicking in orders functionality will take you to the page where you can see that yeah, this order you have made to make purchase Siliguri. As well as you can go to the orders table, and just a minute, yeah, you can go to the orders table and you can see that what you have ordered. So user ID is the 8 and it has ordered the product ID 8. Oh, see, great. And Siliguri EMI, all things are getting updated in database table also. Now coming again to this, clicking on this also, e-commerce will take you to the home page of e-commerce. So all the things we have seen this till now. Now this is the slider, it is working very fine, all the products is getting shown easily. Now there is one search for functionality. So if you go and click on TV and submit it, so what all the products related to TV it will show. So Panasonic TV, LG TV, and if you click any one, again it will take you to the detail page of that particular product, and again you can add. So just add your cart, add to the cart. So it will get incremented. One more functionality in this project is that we can add product, but that is only for admin. We are, as this user is not admin, so only logout option is coming here, you can see. But I will show the add product. So just log out and log in with the admin account. So one admin account I have created already, and I am logging with that account, and I will show how it is different from user account, because admin can add product. So this is the admin, already it is having 0. So admin, you can come here So you can see here add product option is coming as this is admin. So he can he can add. See here only 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 images or 8 products we have. So now just enter. So what you want to add? So I want to add HP laptop. Its price is 452789. Something we can put. And sorry, category is what? Yeah, its category is in laptop. Image address you have to give. So just go. I have already selected. So Control C and Control V. Description best laptop. So just add it. After adding, what it is going to do that you will see. Yeah, just come here and see this HP laptop gets added in the whole trending products. Now you can again click on this product. You will go to the all the details of this particular product. You can see price is there and all this, as well as simultaneously the products. If you go on products table, you will see that earlier it was here also HP laptop with its details, with its price, with its image gallery, all are getting updated. So these are the functionality which we have made in our project e-commerce using Laravel. I hope you like the video, and again